actually gold. It is glitter, only glitter. We are having strange types of industries which we could not even imagine 30, 40 years ago. One such industry comes in my mind, business based on fear. Paul Harris is a journalist. He writes in the magazine Observer, published from England. He says that I went to interview a farmer, the Amish farmer. Amish are the conservative Americans who grow beard like us, and they are not living a hi-fi life. They are simple people, farmers. So I went to interview this farmer whose farm was around 30 acres and it had a potential threat, or it was a potential target of Islamic terrorism. How can a farm be a potential target? So Paul says, when I interviewed this man, he said, I am also surprised. How did my farmhouse or my farm got enlisted? The reason is because I am a rich man. There is an industry coming up. Please buy these gadgets from us, security gadgets, the security cameras, this and that, and we Americans are buying. The person is driving a car. He has a little money now. He is worried about security. He is worried that some Islamic threat watching him from around the corner. People are terrorized by their own governments, by their own security agencies. The Americans are more terrorized by the governments rather than the Muslims or rather than Islam. Because there is $130 billion security industry in America, according to Paul Harris, Observer newspaper. $130 billion of security industry. And John Ashcroft, one of the advisors of George Bush, he is one of the consultant of one of the security members. He is earning money through that now. He is a consultant. What consulting? He pulls out a list from computer which are the rich companies, L&T, Dhirubhai Ambani, Tata, Voltas, Godrej. Now go to them and tell them your place is under observation. Terrorists can come and, blast it off. So they are afraid. They frighten them and then they offer security services. So this is how the security industry is blooming. Before 11 September, there were only 39 private security agencies registered with the FBI. Now, 39,000 security agencies in America. The film stars are under the threat. The industrialists are under the threat. The restaurant owners are under the threat. Everybody is under the threat. Strange economies and strange industry is prospering because there is no accountability. There is no accountability.
Dr. Jafar Idris, Qasim Al-Hakim, Dr. Ahmad Ibn Saifuddin, Dr. Mamdouh Muhammad, Dr. Bilal Phillips, Salim Al-Amri, Hussein Yee. A group discussion between various world-renowned Islamic orators on various topics: Tawheed and Shirk, Halal entertainment, marriage issues, terrorism and jihad, and many more.
Allah created us and He created our actions.
I think on another level we need to address.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, I got it.
Islam Under Microscope, every Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time and 4 p.m. Pacific Time on Peace TV. The Spirit of Islam, tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time and 4 p.m. Pacific Time on Peace TV. Courage it takes to stand up for what you believe in. Courage it takes to be true and righteous. Courage it takes to dare and answer your questions, be they social, political, economic, educational, or religious. To get clear and convincing answers,
test your courage and question me in Dare to Ask.
Dare to Ask, next on Peace TV.
Another strange industry that is flourishing in this conventional economic system is the industry of thinness. Some people may call it the diet industry. But Naomi Wolf, she is an authoress.